pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Pythons. This is Celebration Station with Irene Leon. Today we're going to be talking about the I Have a Message showcase and how your message can impact the world. What's your message?
My message is to just always be kind and always have a smile on your face to make people comfortable and make them feel welcome.
Your name and what's your message?
My name is Miss Ferguson, and my message to the world is always be what you would like to be in this world. Okay? Be extraordinary, be a leader, be an entrepreneur, whatever you want to be. Never give up. That's my message to the world.
And Pythons, please remember to spread your messages to help better the world you are living in. Thank you for watching Celebration Station with Irene Leon. Bye, Pythons.
Good afternoon, I'm Jaden Vierejo.
And my name is Kyle Dorset.
And welcome to the first episode of Getting to Know You, the show where we learn more about people and what makes them who they are.
Yep, today's first guest is Manny Reyes. Let's get into it.
I'm Jaden Vierejo, I'm here with...
I'm Manny Reyes.
Okay, what's one thing that you would say you're good at?
One thing I would say I'm good at is Algebra 1 and like ELA and like reading and schoolwork.
So you're smart.
I'm very smart.
That's nice. What's one goal you're working on outside of school?
One goal I'm working at outside of school is like studying and worrying about my academic like procedures.
Okay.
My name is Jace Nieto.
What's your favorite music genre?
I like country.
My name is Destiny, and my favorite music artist is Pink Panthers.
My name's Sophia Ward.
What's your favorite music genre?
My favorite music genre is EDM and hip-hop.
What's your favorite music genre?
Hip-hop. My name is Mr. Miranda.
What's your favorite music genre?
My favorite music genre is Latin jazz.
Thank you.
My favorite genre is hip-hop and R&B.
The least popular genre is country and Latin jazz.